Here's why I'm not joining Great Life Worldwide. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a few days ago, somebody who I'm in another opportunity with, they messaged me on Facebook and they said, hey, I just want to reach out to you because, I know we in this opportunity together, but there's a new company that I just joined and I'm really not, I wasn't going to join no other opportunity, but this company I'm really rocking with, I'm really feeling it, and I want you to be on my team. All right. Now, when I initially read that message, my first instinct was, no, I'm not doing another one of these opportunities. But this is somebody who I've been making money with in the past. I'm in another opportunity with. He a cool dude. So I was like, out of respect, let me just see what the opportunity is. So when he sent me the message, he didn't send me the link yet. He asked me, could he send me the link? So I said, all right, shoot it to me. So he sends me the link a little bit later. So I click on it. I watch the sales page, presentation page, whatever. And I instantly realized this is another product, a health and wellness type company, motivational company, one of them similar to what LiveGood is. All right. At least that's what the video shows. So as soon as I saw that, I knew nah, I'm not, you know what I mean? But out of respect, I still watched the video and everything. So then I actually took, a little time. I went on YouTube, let me see what this company about, right? I know I really ain't gonna join it, but I was like, let me just see what it's about, right? I checked it out. Now, before I get to that, let me tell you why I knew I wasn't going to join Great Life Worldwide, right? For two main reasons. The first reason is, and I talked about this in other videos, but I'm currently involved with 3 network marketing opportunities, right? And all 3 of them I rock with, but all 3 of them are in different industries. All right. So Got Backup, maybe you heard of it, right? They deal with the cloud storage service, right? Backing up your photos and videos and stuff like that. Then I'm sure you probably heard of LiveGood, which is in the health and wellness industry. And then there's Nexus Snap, which is in the get cash back and savings every time you shop, right? 3 opportunities. All right. So these opportunities keep me busy as hell already. So I already knew I can't do another opportunity. I don't care what it's about. But the thing that definitely confirmed that I wasn't gonna join Great Life Worldwide is because it's another health and wellness type company. And I'm already in LiveGood, right? So I've been in LiveGood maybe 10, 11 months, almost a year, pretty much, right? And, being in LiveGood already said, hey, look, I rock with LiveGood, right? LiveGood is competitive. LiveGood is, some people might say saturated, but I don't really believe in that. But it's I rock with LiveGood. I have made money with LiveGood, and the products with LiveGood are really, really good. To me, to join another company that sells products, that sells health and wellness, it just don't make sense to me. And damn it, I just don't got the energy to invest with learning about different products and trying to promote them. I'm just I'm good. But I did take some time to watch several videos about Great Life Worldwide just to see what everybody talking about, just to see what's the hype about. So after watching several videos, to me, my overall opinion on it is I see it being very, very similar to LiveGood when LiveGood first came out, right? Everybody was just talking about how LiveGood is the greatest thing ever, right? Oh my God, it's so cheap. Oh my God, the products. Oh my God, the opportunity. This is it, right? I seen so many people in a year ago hyping up LiveGood. This is the greatest thing ever. Best products, best service, cheapest, low cost business opportunity, right? And then barely a year, you got Great Life Worldwide, and the same people that was talking about LiveGood a year ago is now saying how Great Life Worldwide, they got the greatest products. This is the best opportunity. This is just phenomenal, right? Now, I ain't gonna lie, maybe it's just because all of the hype that was around LiveGood, and just to see a lot of the same people now talking about Great Life, it's just like really? You know what I mean? Because honestly, Greatlife Worldwide, they cost more, right, to join, right? So it's initially $49 to join LiveGood to get started, and then it's $10 a month with LiveGood. With Greatlife Worldwide, it's $50 to get started, right? $49 to get started, and then it's $20 a month. So what I can see happening is what happened in LiveGood. A lot of people who really have no interest in like health and wellness or better lifestyle and all that, they're gonna jump in, right, for $50, and then when they realize, okay, I gotta start paying $20 a month, if they're not making money after 2-3 months, they're going to quit, right? Because look how many people quit off of LiveGood, which is only $10 a month. People was quitting left and right. People still quitting LiveGood, right, to this day, because they're like, man, I ain't making no money yet. I ain't paying $10 a month and I ain't getting no money in return, right? So what do you think gonna happen with Greatlife Worldwide when people need to spend $20 a month? Because once again, a lot of people, it's going to take some time for you to start generating money with LiveGood and Greatlife Worldwide on a residual income basis, right? So I see the same type of thing happening with Greatlife Worldwide, what happened with LiveGood, but I think it might even be worse because of the fact that just looking at a little bit into Greatlife's compensation plan, how to hit certain levels, to hit certain income, to open up certain income opportunities, like you will have to purchase a product, right, to maintain certain ranks, right? You have to. So what people are not going to realize is the fact that they're going to be all hype. Oh my God, everybody's saying this is better than LiveGood, so I'm going to pay the $50 and it's only $20 a month, but the earning potential is crazy as hell. But what's going to happen when a person comes to that point where they're like, okay, well, to get to this next ranking, to get to this next earning potential, you need to have at least one product purchased, right? So now keep in mind that $20 a month thing, right? Now you better add some more money to that, because to get to them other earning levels, you might need to be buying some a detox program that's $34 a month, right? Or you might got to buy a workout plan that's $20 a month. Now you're gonna have that $20 a month fee go up to $50, $60, $70 a month that you're gonna be paying, hoping to make a lot more money back. So say what you want about LiveGood right now, it's still only $10 a month, right? It's only $10 a month, and you can actually earn some commissions off of just selling the products, just like you can with Great Life and all that. But the one thing I will say about LiveGood is at no point are you obligated to be buying a monthly something, right? At no point, as I'm making this video, you do not have to buy some sort of product to advance, right? You got to recruit the hell out of people. Yes, in LiveGood you do if you want to make some money, but you do not have to, oh, we got to buy 2 products a month or 3 products a month to unlock this other earning thing, which I think a lot of people right now, when it comes to Great Life, a lot of the newbies, they're going to realize very soon, like, wait a minute, I'm not making that much money yet, but I should be buying some products. So to me, I do think Greatlife Worldwide is actually a harder sale than LiveGood, but because of so many people are talking about Greatlife Worldwide, a lot of people, and I already seen it already, where people are leaving LiveGood. They're like, I'm out, right? I ain't making no money over here, so I'm going to Greatlife Worldwide. Man, it's more earning potential over here. Well, I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. If you couldn't make money, if you couldn't make any money in LiveGood, you're probably not gonna make any money in Greatlife Worldwide. Now, to be completely fair, if LiveGood didn't exist and I wasn't a member of LiveGood, you know, would I join Greatlife Worldwide? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I really don't know, because I see what they're doing. I see what the opportunity is. I get the fact that they got, you know, health and wellness products, and then they got digital products. And to me, if you're an experienced marketer, a network marketer, affiliate marketer, then yeah, you can maneuver and probably be successful. But when you're appealing to a lot of newbies, that could be overwhelming, right? Joining Greatlife Worldwide, it could be overwhelming because people can be like, do I promote the business opportunity? Do I promote the lifestyle products? Do I promote the health products? Do I need a funnel for this? Do I need this and paid traffic, all that? I can see a lot of newbies getting overwhelmed with Greatlife Worldwide. Overall, it might be a good company. It might be a good opportunity. But for me, you know what I'm saying? I can't do another health and wellness program. And like I said, I think it's going to be a harder sell than what I'm already currently doing with LiveGood. Hey, but I want to know if you are planning on joining Greatlife Worldwide. And if you are a member, comment below and share your experience.